Welcome everyone to the 5th event of the Marbolympics. This event is their hurdles. Marbles will be going around in a straight track. What did I say, around? With some little slowdowns along the way. So the standings currently. Poe took the lead after the last event, only 1 point ahead of Peppa Pig. So in third place, Peter Griffin, Homer Simpson in a tie for 4th. Scratch Cat, dead last. What's gonna happen to him? And that's kind of all I have to say. Well, Battle Shugs and Mogus are in tie. SpongeBob's not doing bad, and I don't know. Anyways, this is the example race. Example marbles here. It's fairly simple. All they're doing is just going across a straight track with little hurdles to slow them down along the way. Without further ado, let's officially begin this event. Poe, Homer Simpson, Hamlet, and Cookie is our first pair up. Cookie currently taking the lead. Poe in a tight second place. Homer Simpson trying to catch up. It's not. Cookie is going to take the win. Poe in second, advancing. Homer and Hamlet will not. SpongeBob, Mike Wazowski, Peppa Pig, and Roblox Noob. Starting out, it's going to be Roblox Noob in the lead. Peppa Pig was in second. Now, slowly going down to third. Roblox Noob's going to win this race. SpongeBob taking second. Peppa Pig, surprisingly, is going to get out. Also with Mike Wazowski. Balance Chugs, Toad, Elmo, and me. Next in the horse. They're off. It's looking to be Elmo in the lead, barely. No, it's me now. Elmo slowed down. I'm going to take the win. Avalanche Chug is going to be in a tight second place. But Elmo was in first and is now out of this race. First in the race, not first overall. Our next, we have Peter Griffin, Among Us, Joe Biden, and Scratch Cat. We have Scratch Cat taking a big lead out of the gate. It's going to... Oh! Peter Griffin was going to take second place, but Scratch Cat slowed down and is going to advance. Peter Griffin, Among Us are now out. See, there's the bottom half of the standings. Homer Simpson and Toad had a tie for some reason. Well, let's go to semifinals. SpongeBob, Cookie, me, and Joe Biden. Next. Joe Biden looking to be taking the lead. SpongeBob tightly in second place. Cookie. No! SpongeBob slows down. Cookie is going to make it to the next round with Joe Biden. Me and SpongeBob are now out of the race. Avalanche Chugs, Roblox Noob, Scratch Cat, and Poe. Next four. Roblox Noob quickly slowing down there. It's going to be tight. Poe takes the win after being in third place there. Is going to make it with Scratch Cat, surprisingly. Again, Scratch Cat's last in the standings. It is going to make it to the finale. You can see 5th through 8th place according to their times. I don't know. Okay. Scratch Cat truly taking the lead in the finale with Joe Biden right in second place. Poe slowed down there at the beginning. It's going to be Scratch Cat for the win. Joe Biden and Cookie falling right behind. Poe not getting a medal. That's going to be really good and probably going to secure him in the lead overall. And there's them on the podium. Scratch Cat, Joe Biden, and the Cookie itself. So the standings. Poe is still in the lead. Now it's a big lead. 9 points ahead. Elmo is now in last place. Scratch Cat, after winning the event, only went up 3 positions, and that's technically 2. He just tied for 13th. Toad getting up basically to second place, just tied with Peppa Pig. See, Joe Biden again drastically made a change. I'll see you next time. That is it.